Yo everybody, Andre here, 19cvd.com, and today it's Groovefunnels affiliate program actually. So let me make full screen out here. So they're having a launch today, which is the most important launch you'll ever have in your life. If you sign up for the free account and you get inside the Groovefunnels and see the actual features, or if you see the other videos in the playlist. So actually what it launched over 150k in prizes. So first it's a Chevy CA for the first prize, and there's an iMac, I believe. So let's just see the video and see what
Hey, JV Partners and Affiliates. It's Mike Filsame, CEO and co-founder of Groovefunnels. And on behalf of my business partners, we are very happy to announce the official launch of Groovefunnels. Now, the dates are October 6th, which is a Tuesday, through Sunday, October 18th. Now, we have our site set on doing is a Tuesday through Sunday.
Okay, so they said the launch begins today, and they have a 14-day live session, so which they are going to promote it hard. So we're gonna see what's happening. It's a good affiliate program, so stick until the end. I'm gonna give you some bonuses on how to start and promote the Groovefunnels and just leverage this new brand company and all the benefits of it.
October 18th. Now, we have our sights set on doing $20 million for this launch, making it the biggest launch in 2020 and a great way to close out. And we expect to be paying up to $10 million in affiliate commissions and prizes. So you want to get your share.
So this is what they promise for us, or for us. If we promote, we might be getting a piece of this $10 million cake.
We're going to tell you how we're going to do that in just a minute. But first, let's talk about the prizes. We're going to be giving away 3 cars, the first time in history it's ever been done. Now, what are these 3 cars? Well, the grand prize is a brand new Chevrolet Corvette C8. It's the first time in the history of Chevrolet Corvettes that they've built a mid-engine car like a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. This car is hot, and somebody is going to be winning this grand prize. Now, second place is a brand new Ford Mustang Mach-E electric 4-door SUV crossover car. If you haven't seen it, look on this page. It's absolutely phenomenal.
Picture it, guys. Imagine it. Maybe you'll get it.
Phenomenal. And the third, celebrating the third American car, is the brand new, all new redesigned Ford Bronco. No, not OJ, the brand new Ford Bronco. This is sort of a mixture between a Jeep and a Toyota FJ Cruiser. This thing is hot. The roof comes off, the doors come off. On top of that, we're going to be giving away a $5,000 Mac Pro, and on top of that, we're giving away a $5,000 Apple experience, as well as trips on the Marketer's Cruise, tons of Apple products, and of course, the Groove G-Spot bikini and matching face mask for the 21st place. And right on this page, using Groovefunnels exclusive
21st places, so they're gonna give prices to the place 1 until 21. The rest they just get affiliate commissions, so still price.
Technology. We're gonna have a live leaderboard widget, so you'll always know what place you're in all the way into the last minute.
Okay.
It will literally update in real time. Now, this page will have all of the promotion tools, swipes, banners, everything that you need right below on this page. Now, the easiest way to become an affiliate is just join Groovefunnels for free. There's no credit card required. And then when you're done, come back to this page, refresh the page, and all of your tools and affiliate links will be right below this video on this page where it says promotion tools. Now, you're wondering, how could we be doing a launch when we opened Groove on April 7th? Well, the truth is, we never launched Groove. We opened it during COVID on April 7th in beta. And at that time, it was just Groove Pages, and Groovesell and Groove Affiliate were just starting. But now for October, we're pleased to announce that Groovefunnels is going to include Groove Pages, Groovesell. Now for October, we're pleased to announce that Groovefunnels is...
So this is very important because in April, more than two-thirds of the apps, they announced them in 2021. So they've been so fast, and they got so many members that they got very quick development of most of the apps. They got 5 more apps and they're finished.
going to include Groove Pages, Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, Groove Sell Payments, where we can do the payment processing and pay your affiliates at lower rates than ClickBank, or you could bring your own merchant accounts where we don't take any fees. On top of that, we're going to have Groove Mail with automations and sequences and tagging and all your automations, as well as being able to send emails, text messages, and voice broadcasts, plus Groove Members, so you have a built-in membership platform, and on top of that, Groove Video. All that is going to be live for the launch. But here's the most important thing. The launch is going to be the closeout of the lifetime offer that we're making. We're going to be releasing Groove Webinars, Groove Blog, Groove Desk.
So this is the important one. They will be releasing 4 more apps which they cost monthly, and if you get them right now, you won't be having to pay for none of them. But if you're getting after, you're gonna have to pay the recurring for each and one of them, which is the reason why I really want to get this funnel, I wanted to get the premium so I can just continue working with the software after the release, because I don't like the recurring payments as well. Okay, so
Groove Survey, Groove Quiz. And once that happens, we're going to be going to $99, $199, and $299 a month, depending on the options that the people take. Now, we're going to be providing a ton of bonuses, mostly software bonuses and more. Now, if you're a Groovefunnels user and you've paid for the lifetime, all of these bonuses are going to be backwards compatible. We're going to be giving a freemium to many different software products, some that we can't wait to announce. One is a new chat software that we have coming out. Another is the all-new Review Trust. The other one is a drag and drop builder to be able to design your own iPhone or Android app and get it into the Android or Apple Store. And that is really something that we're excited about, and a couple more that we just can't talk about yet. Now, not only are those bonuses available only during the launch and to previous customers, but they will be going away once the launch ends, as well as the lifetime deal. So this is going to be big. We're giving away $150,000 in prizes, up to $10 million in commissions. Our goal is to hit $20 million. So let's wrap this up. The dates are Tuesday, October 6th, and we close on Sunday, October 18th at midnight Pacific time +2, which is actually Monday morning on the 19th at 5 a.m. Eastern time. To become an affiliate and get your updates, make sure to join Groovefunnels at groovefunnels.com. It's free to join, no credit card.
yeah, the only thing which you still need to know is that if you have a free account, you will be getting only 20% commissions. If you have the gold, I believe 30%. If you have the platinum, you're gonna have the 40% and the tier 2 affiliate commissions. So yeah, see the tier 2 and recurring when they're gonna have the recurring setup after the launch. So there's still a few more days. All right, so you can still get leverage, and this is a nice YouTuber which has a really good impression.
Hey, awesome JVs, this is Tim Verdouw, and I wanted to record this video just to let you know that this is the offer that you want to promote at this moment. Last few months, I've promoted Groovefunnels like crazy, and I can tell you it paid off like crazy. I've made so crazy many sales with this product that this is definitely something that you want to promote. And why is this so good? Because it has every angle that you need as an affiliate to promote this product. It has everything. I mean, you could promote this as the best page builder on the market that will blow away all the competition. You could promote this as an email automation platform.
Yeah, so what he's trying to say is that the e-commerce and the future Groove, and so you can promote it as page builder, as payment system integration, as affiliate program maker, as mail autoresponder, as membership site creator, and or as video hosting platform, plus the e-commerce platform, plus the blogging platform which is going to be released, and webinars and auto webinars, and desk which is the customer support, and calendar which you can set up meetings inside on your funnels. You don't have to send the people on Google. So they go on Google Meetings and they change the website. They just do it straight away on your funnel. And survey, if you want to survey people, to survey people on your funnel. So you can market in any angle you can see. So yeah, pretty much one of the best affiliate programs. And they also have a few more, I believe. If I will get them, I will show it to you. They have an actually here. No, marketplace. They have an affiliate marketplace, which basically you can create your program and put it inside Groovefunnels, and literally have the Groovefunnels members want to promote your offer. So you have an inside the platform as well to promote your offers. You can also post them on ClickBank, JVZoo, and so on and so forth. But still, you have an inside platform which you might find some good affiliates to work with. Yeah. So that is much it which I had prepared for you. So thank you very much. If you enjoyed my videos, please check the playlist on Groovefunnels playlist, and hopefully we're gonna see each other again. See you and bye bye.